as you can see, packed to the brim in the chally with the upgrades. Yeah, I mean, got the new splitter, got the wide body in here. You know what I'm saying? We about to just go ahead, about to slide over to the TC spot. You feel me? We gonna throw this bitch in, man. Y'all know how I'm coming on the DIY side. We about to just get it done. I really ain't got no plan, so stay tuned. Okay. Background in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all know what that is. You ain't seen the video on that, go watch that. It's time to put this wide body on. Done playing. Got the little chin splitter in. Shout out to Jake Smith. Alright, so my phone died and I couldn't waste the daylight and I had to get started. Man, listen, when I tell you, this shit is looking good, man. All these mods coming together. And my baby coming out exactly how I want to look. Sharpening, seats, everything, man. I done built this boy from the ground up, baby. You can see the new side marker tents. Going down, man. So like I said, I ain't really got the greatest charge. If you want to see a full install video, hit up my boy at Toretto Racing. He's got a whole install video, man. I'm gonna show you little bits and pieces just to show you how it is, but man, it really ain't too much to it, you feel me? So we're gonna get back into it, baby. Coming all together, man. Yeah. Rivets on. See, the interior still look crazy. Put the rest of the flares on. This is I'm in paint wise. Alright, man, so it's the next day. It was getting late and unfortunately my camera did die. So I didn't get to film a lot of the stuff. I got little bits and pieces for y'all, but if you follow me on IG at whipswitwavy, you'll get to see a, you know what I'm saying, a few little sneak peeks. But if you can see her in the background, man, hold on, focus in for me. Whew. You see them thighs on there, man. But nah, there's a few more things I gotta do. Like I wanna paint these rock guard pieces and put these on here in a second. But we'll put them on here in a second. And then we're gonna put that splitter on, man. So like I said, man, I'm doing this all by myself, so I really can't film as much as I want to, but I got more pieces today I forgot than yesterday, and I got a battery, so I'm gonna try and get y'all as much footage as I can. So just stay tuned. We're gonna get right to it. Yeah. So this is gonna be the first little test, man. We flares ain't fully done yet, but we just gonna, you know what I'm saying, they got to sit overnight, mount to the whip, so we're gonna see how they hold up on the E-way, man. Y'all pray for your boy. Hopefully we all lose no damn flare on the E-way. Alright, man, so we here. It's the next day. Like you can see, it's a little more light out there. Hold on, let me focus in. Oof. There she go, man. Back there looking oh so good. So we're gonna roll in here and get this shit jumping. Last little corner piece in, and then there's 6 of the rocket panel guards that go on here. That's gonna fill this little spot right here, and we're gonna be good to go, man. So just a couple more things. I'll show you the rocket guards real quick. Freshly painted, you know. And everything. Now we about to just get into it, baby. We're just gonna hurry up and wrap this up, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited to get all done with it. throw it up in the air and get these spacers on here. So say no more. In here working, man. We done messed around, brought all the little whips out again. Part 2. Black Power. Second appearance, 2 days straight. Two days on the year. The first reaction. I'm gonna get the first reaction. He say,
"Oh,
yeah." About to put them bottom pieces on.
You painting them?
Yep. Look, you see them boys ready to go.
They perfect too.
Man, you hear me? Even coated.
Perfect. Them these boys, right?
Yep. Them rocker panels.
Looks good.
Yeah. She all the way on there now.
Tires on there.
I was gonna say once I throw these spacers on here, that's what's gonna set it off. And you
So
see
what
that?
else you got to do to it now?
Well, now I'm just about to put the so I'm gonna put the spacers on.
Yeah.
That's gonna make the wheels poke out, and then once I get the spacers on all 4, that'll give them enough time to be finished drying, and then I'm gonna put them on and the bottom pieces, and then we gonna be finished. That's gonna be him. You feel me?
What I'm talking about, bro.
Quick flashing in a hurt.
So hey.
So fucked up piece I got ain't big enough, so I'm about to go up here and get this T-wrench, but first we gotta slide in that RT thing, man. Gotta get up in this RT thing. First time riding with Cuzzo and Black Power, we gonna see what it's talking about. Ooh. Spotless in here, the nigga don't even wanna sit down. Ooh, big moonroof. Damn, thumb clean in here.
With the
Yes. Promotion.
shouts out to Black Magic.
Man, we need all the free Black Magic, you know what I'm saying? Send us free trees. Facts.
All
No.
that.
Big free trees.
Black, don't say black trees.
Black trees only. That's what we need. I need a mount. I had that boy like, man, he would be perfect. Alpine Daddies in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, nah, that seatbelt chime be annoying as hell. It'll be on you ASAP. As soon as you get to rolling, hit that pedal one good time. Yeah. Oh, they hated on us. Hated on us. They knew it was about to go down. They knew.
Boy, move the hell out of my way then.
Right. He said, what is you in the way for? Perfect. All in the way. Man,
Stupid, man. I'm telling you.
him talking too. So you ain't got no resi delete or nothing. It's just normal. That boy talking. I gotta get the sunroof. I gotta do it.
Gotta get that roof.
Gotta do it. It's a must. Bro, I miss this feeling. I ain't had this feeling since my very first car, bro.
The whole reason why I couldn't settle for one without one.
Man.
I had to have a roof.
Had to have that roof. It's a must.
Must.
Gotta get it. Yeah, 4K always. Got this boy on here finally. See what all this work done led up to, man. See what we looking like. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah,
You can see it. Man, you can see it jumping off the side there. Yeah, poking.
oh my gosh.
Poking out like elbow.
Man, you hear me? What's that Ludacris song?
When you get older, blood.
Boom. Boom, boom. Hey.
I keep going to that side view so you can see how it's.
He said, oh, they thought it was a game? They thought she wasn't gonna get big? They thought the ass shots wasn't gonna pay off? He said, no, there's no Dr. Miami, it's just Dr. Wade.
You heard?
Dr. Wade.
Dr. Wade.
Come see me. If you wanna get your bitch thick, come see me.
See,
Come see me.
pool boat up.
Man. Yes, sir.
New stance.
Man, like
Offset.
that. They thought the wave was gonna play with him? No,
They thought he was
sir.
capping.
Man, you hear me? They thought it was big
Cap.
cat. Said, nah, we coming through big body Benny.
Big body Celine.
Man,
She just went and got them butt shots.
man, big ass shots.
She played too much.
Yeah, she playing now. She gonna be like, ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That poke, so, ooh. Oh my gosh. Alright, so it's all done. We about to go on a little ride, you know what I'm saying? Get this one's first initial reaction, you feel me? And then we gonna might let her test drive it, but I don't know. I don't know. Tim's where she can go through. Look, the black. I'm gonna wipe all this down, but I'm gonna respray everything, so this won't matter. You can see. Line worked up. That line worked up. Yeah. What?
You did a good job.
Thanks. Let her drive, see what she talking about. Yeah, please. Yeah, Sirski. She thinks she doing something. Remember, be smooth on the bumps and shit. Can't see shit either. That's why I gotta get that sunroof. Gotta hurry up to get the sunroof. But how's it handle? What do it go?
Very well. I like
Now you want to challenge. First you want the Durango, then you want to Charger. Now you want to challenge.
I want to try.
So does it feel different from when you were driving it last time?
Yeah, definitely.
Handle better?
Mm-hmm.
See what I was talking about?
Yeah, and like since your wheels are staggered, I kind of feel like I'm like, higher up.
Right. Feels like you can look over the front of the car now.
Yeah, much better.
That's what I was telling PJ. And this black Bezzy looks so good, bro. I'm loving everything.
Bruh,
Damn, this semi is tripping. You gonna say what I said? What is he? You feel how like it just handles the road so much better. The staggered was definitely the way to go.
It's very smooth.
Yeah, it's hella smooth. So adding the 2-inch spacers, man. So now what I got is the 2-inch spacers on the back to go with the flares. You know what I'm saying? And I didn't touch the ones up front because I wanted to give it that mean poke. You know what I'm saying? Like just to make the staggered effect look that much more aggressive. So the last thing that I gotta do to finish the whole little look is put the splitter on, man. And I already got it. It's just I ain't had the time to get to it yet. But I'm gonna say that for another video. Cause y'all done seen a lot, man. I done put the spacers on. Y'all done got the full breakdown of the whole wide body put on. And like I said, man, shout out to my boy at Toretto Racing. Big shout out to S. Tarling as well, man. Both of them been giving me a whole bunch of advice on the build and just like which way I'm gonna go. And they just been helping me walk through this whole adventure, man. Like, and I gotta say shout out to my TT and my family, man. Like, cause y'all seen it in the video, bro. They made a whole bunch of that happen. Cause like I ain't got no garage or none of that. So she gave me the space to let me go in there and do what I needed to do and annoy the hell out of them for 2 days. You know what I'm saying? So it went down, man, and it's a beautiful thing. I'm super proud of this, man. Like y'all know, I've been waiting on this for months. months. And I've been waiting to give y'all this video too. But like y'all know, the grind never not pays off. You know what I'm saying? One brick at a time. You're gonna get to your empire. Just focus on laying them bricks every day, and then watch how far you go. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be it for this one. We might have another little video with this one driving. Maybe we'll get some pulls. I gotta torque the wheels and everything, so we ain't gonna do nothing crazy tonight. But I'm gonna get back with y'all in the next one. So till then, like, share, subscribe. I'm out of here.